Okay, so this video is special for my student in Form 2. Special for them to do the correction for their DPD in Chapter 1, 1.3. So now I will going to see the questions number 3. Okay, questions number 3. Okay, that is giving you a sequence and then ask you to find the terms number 7. And in this exercise, I'm asking you to give all the pattern in algebra expression. So that means in this question number 3 also same, you must give me the pattern in algebra expression. Okay, so the first thing to write down the pattern in algebra expression, we must first decide what is the pattern first. So you see now we have a list of integer, and then the integer is changed in the the positive and negative sign in it. The change become negative, they become positive, and then continue change. Okay, repeat. So that means this is a multiplication very obviously, and then the multiply should multiply with a negative number. And look at the number is become double, isn't it? So that means it's multiplied with negative 2. Okay, so now we have a pattern already. We know that the pattern is every number is multiplied with negative 2 to get the next term. Okay, so now we need to write down the calculation to make us easy to see the pattern. So terms number 1, terms number 2 is negative 3 multiplied with negative 2. Okay, terms number 3 is negative 3 multiplied with negative 2, multiply again with negative 2. Okay, so terms number 4 continue with multiply with negative 2. And there is repeat 3 times. So you see the number of repeat actually is something like the number of variable, isn't it? Okay, so that means the first one will not repeat, will not multiply. This one is not exist. Okay, so not exist, that means multiply with 0 and then repeat in multiplication. Repeat multiplication actually refer to power of a numbers. So I repeat, the repeat multiplication actually refer to the power of the number. So for example now I have repeat 3 times in multiply the negative 2. So this one actually is equal to negative 3 multiplied with the negative 2 power of 3. Okay, then this one is repeat 2 times. So that means they will become negative 2 power of 2. Then this one also same, 1 times only. So we become power of 1. Okay, then this one nothing. That means it's 0. So that means you will have negative 3 multiplied with negative 2 power of 0. So again you see 0, 1, 2, 3. Compare with our terms number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means all this power actually represent n minus 1. That is number of terms minus 1. So that means we can have our algebra expression already. So the algebra expression to describe our pattern for the sequence is negative 3 multiplied with the negative 2 power of n minus 1. Okay, so now we have an expression already. And don't forget the n must stay as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Sorry, not enough space. Okay, so now we have an expression already, so we can find the terms number 7. Okay, terms number 7 means n is equal to 7. So there is negative 3 multiply with negative 2 power of 7 minus 1. So this is equal to negative 3 multiply with negative 2 power of 6. So how to calculate the power of 6? Okay, so you are allowed to using your calculator. So in your calculator, we have this button. This is mean power. So that means negative 2 power of 6 in our calculator actually show as negative 2 power of 6. Okay, so I hope you understand. So you can directly using the calculator to get the final answer. Okay, so using your calculator, you will get the answer. So if you do it correctly, you will get the answer is negative 192. So this is the first part for question number 3.